You know, I look at the incident happened one day when I was walking on the road and see an ambulance driver catch a heart attack in the front of the ambulance. So everybody did a panic. So me I wonder what go on. So when I come to bluff and touch on the spot now, police them said them can't drive the Jeep. So me I saying them can't drive the Jeep. Nobody on the spot can't drive stick. So me I say rotted. So them I say you can't help him. Me I say, yeah man, you can't drive it. So the elder them do I say, you sure? So me I say, yeah man, I can drive it man. So anyway we take out the driver, put him in the police van back. Them rush him go public. So the next patient in the back with him they go hospital now. Me have rushed him go Andrews. Save him life. So you know, recite his history. Yeah, if I mesh is just help out each other because enough time some people needs and want and nobody feel me seeing if we can help each other, Jamaica would have better. That we look forward to seeing me. Normally when somebody meet in a situation like this, you don't see people that take out them phone cameras and all these type of things. And you have about 60 odd people on the scene and none of them not take out the camera. Everybody are trying to help them. So we learn lessons say instead of you have time of video people, try to help them as in.